Alpha 1. We are now going to be trading live for binary option. So if you see this as a recording, probably just bear with me, I'm fixing a lot of things here now. So yeah, if you see this as a recording, probably you're not a subscriber to my channel. I'm at the beach, sorry for all these things. Been driving since 4 in the morning, so I'm super tired. I need a lot of coffee, so just bear with me. So I'm sitting here now, came to my room just right now, so I'm now going to be trading some binary option. So you find a link below the video also for the broker that I'm using. It's the one you see up there now. You also have a promo code that give you 200% on your first deposit. Just bear with me a little. I will see if I can get my cell phone to get up the chat so I can interact. We will not be live in Discord today. We will just be live in YouTube. This computer I'm using is not able to do so many connections at the same time. Okay, so just be aware of that. Now let me just find this live session we have here on my cell phone. Let's see. There. Then I'm able to see the chat. You can put it inside here. No, this was not good. There, cool. Then I can see the chat. Cool. Then I think we can start this live session. Let me just log in. I'm not sure if it was this email or another. Let's log in and see. I have 2 accounts. This was the big one. Cool. Then we are in order. Okay, let me close some of those things. If you hear a annoying sound in the background, it's the air condition. I'm not able to live without it. Let me know if you can hear me good, by the way. I will now just go through and choose a few pairs that we can trade. We keep to the ones that pay the most, as always. Coffee is necessary. Well, let's see. Still choosing some pairs here. Let me see. This one we have. My plan is to at least fill up the screen. My screen is smaller, so we have less space, by the way. Let's see if we can find another. No, then I think GBP, we can add this one. Then we are in order. The indicators we need is stochastic, and we're going to add bullish band. You can basically just type BB and you get it. Okay, then we are in order. So basically how it works, let's change this for 100 if you get a trade, because our plan is to try to get as many trades we can. Now we are getting close to trade in the bottom here, by the way. If this one can break below this lower end here and this go below here, so stochastic below 20, bullish band, this go below the lower bullish band, that means that's a trade for us. So let's see. And once again, we are not live in Discord today. I am at the beach. As you can see, it's a little change of scenery, and I'm super tired. I've been awake since 4 in the morning because I've been driving, so I'm going to take it quite easy in this live session so I don't do mistakes. We are ready to go in. If this stochastic can go below 20 and our bar can go below the Bollinger Band in the lower end. Let's see. And once again, if you hear an annoying background sound, it's just the air conditioner going on full spin here. I think you keep to this 78% pairs. Good morning, Eternal. Do you hear me well, by the way? I am aware that I have much background noise and things, but it will be nice to get a confirmation that things are working good. I will be here at the beach now for till I think my first normal live session will be in 4 of January. Then we're back to normal again. At least that's the I'm in there. Now let's see how this will play out. We bring up my trade. There, cool. So we are in the first trade. Like I said, I'll take it a little easy today. I am super tired. Been driving for 2.5 hours to get here and then go directly live on this live session. So we are deep in the money for now with our first trade. So that will be a sweet. I'll bring up my calculator so I can keep track. Let's see, there. There, we got our first win. Sweet. We put $78 in profit for now. Let's close this so you can see things properly. Now, I'm at the beach now, so this computer can't handle, at least in the time pattern I have now. I basically came driving directly from Sao Paulo and to the beach right now. Been driving for 2.5 hours, so I basically did not have time. So I am not sure if this computer can handle to run at the same time. So maybe tomorrow will be Discord. But the plan is while I'm here at the beach, there will be just YouTube. But if I can, I will do some tests. If I'm able to run at the 2 places at the same time, I will do so. But I did not have any time now. I just came directly from the car, directly to the room, and directly to live. So no time to testing. So now let's see. But I will, if it's possible, I will do in Discord tomorrow. Here we might have something if we can fill up this bar here now. Let's see. Ready. We need better than this. Stochastic is ready. We are just waiting for getting a bow in the Bollinger Band area. A little more up. Let's see. He's a little stubborn in the starter now. Let's move on. Here we might get something. Let's see if we can fill up the bar again. We'll take it. We need him to fill up the bar. Go up there one more time. We take it. Let's see. We are ready. Now we need, if we can fill all the way up again, we can still take it. Let's see. Don't looks like it. We move on. You'll see that I will not use much time on each. Here you can see this was a typical trade we would have taken, and we would probably have won it, depending on how long time he hold up here. Let's move on. If we fill up this one more time up there, we might take a trade. Let's see. Okay. Yes, little more. By the way, Eternal, how is your trading? Are you using my old strategy, or are you following now with stochastic and Bollinger Band? Let me know. For me, I'm actually super stoked over how good stochastic and Bollinger Band have been working, especially in this Christmas time, because what I did see that support resistant was breaking all the time, but with this new old strategy, because this was basically the first one I was using on my channel, and sometimes only show that what you had in the start actually was a good one. Let me see what you're writing. Yes, the moving average strategy, I might use that one a little tomorrow. I was not so successful with that one like I was with this one, but let's do that tomorrow. Today I'm a little too tired after this trip. I am actually surprised over myself that I'm able to do this live session even after this trip. So let's look into that tomorrow. Let's do half of the session with moving average, and let's do the second half with Bollinger Band, and let's see which one is the best with. Now I will just see that I have some mining I need to do, so I'll do that very fast now. But we're also looking for a buy trade here, so I'm will be proactive and do both at the same time. Let's see. Because yes, for the ones that follow me, I do mine using CryptoTab browser. I have made a couple of videos about that. It's actually very profitable, and it's passive income. uh, for the ones that follow me, they know that any penny I can receive with passive income, I take it. I'm not making crazy money with the crypto tab brochure, but I'm making a few dollars a day, so that is good for me. To be a few dollars, I mean $8 a day I make with it. So nothing crazy, but it is money. So anything I can make a little with, I do. Because in the end, all these things add up very fast. They're a little slow on the trigger there now. I would want to take one more here now, but I'm also a little too slow, so let's see. We can move on and see if we find something else. Now, I will also check my computer in Sao Paulo. I have a possibility to remote control it. So I will see now if I can, if everything is okay there also, while we are waiting. Let me see. All looks to be good there. Cool. Then we can disconnect from it and bring up the chat again. There. Oh, let's see. There we have it. Did I win the trade? I did not follow. We won it. Ah, sweet. Then we have 2 trades, 2 winners. That's a good start. Let's put that into the calculation. We have now $160 with $4 up here. So that is pretty darn sweet. We are not going to have any trade here. Okay, here we are ready. We see the stochastic says yes. Now we just need this bar to go above our Bollinger Band, and we take a trade. It's that simple. So the thing I like with this strategy, I have explained before, that is stupid simple. You can't do mistakes. With the moving average that we will trade a little tomorrow, you can do a little mistakes, because there you need to identify a trend, and that make that strategy a little more complicated than this one. But we are going to trade tomorrow. I will use half of my live session tomorrow. So what we'll do tomorrow, I think this can be a fun thing to do. Let's take the first half with Bollinger Band, the second half with moving average. I will use exactly 30 minutes on moving average, and I will use exactly 30 minutes on moving average, and I will keep track on profit, and we will see which of the strategies that give us the most money. Of course, I understand that trading opportunities can give different, it's not completely fair, but if we end up that the profit is equally very close, then we'll continue doing that for a little while and see which one give the most. And then in a later session next week, I'm going to do 3. So I will divide for 20 minutes each. So we'll take 20 minutes Bollinger Band, 20 minutes the old strategy with support resistance, and 20 minutes with moving average. And we will do that for maybe a couple of weeks, and we will see, and we will keep track. We'll make more like a document with it, and we'll see where we make the most money. And the one or the 3 that make us the most money over a period of let's say 14 days, basically 10 days, but because we trade 5 days a week, the one that is the most, that's the one we're going to continue with, and that we can consider the best strategy. And if someone can give me a strategy that I think is better, I will bring it in. I will test it first to see if it's good or not, and if I think it's a good strategy, I will do the same with that strategy also. Like for example, the moving average strategy is something from Eternal. He is the one that did show me a video about that one, and that's why I've been testing it, and it has some promise, because it have nothing to do with the indicator need to cross. Like for example, I will never bring in a strategy where we are trading with like for example MACD, where you have a lagging indicator that is crossing. No interest. Need to be something that you can do without lagging. So that's why Bollinger Band works, because it's a zero lagging thing. We take trades not based on any cross or nothing. So yes, that's what you're doing. So I think it's something to make our live session a little and more like a competition between strategies also. So we can for sure say the best strategy of 2024, I believe, will be the Bollinger Band, but let's see. Now we have a trade again. Let's see how that will play out. Will be cool to get a win. We are waiting for one down here also. Let's see if he fill up this bar. I'll take it. I think we lost a trade now. That was the first loss of the day. Let me just confirm it. Yes, we have our first loss of the day. That is completely fine. We take one there. Now let me just put that into the calculation. So our profit right now is $56 with a new trade here now. I will move on. Let's see. It finally. Let's see. Hope it stay that way. I'm not sure if we won or not. Let me check. We won the trade. Sweet. Then we put in $78. So we have I think we have 3 winners and 1 loser to now. 4 trades. Now let's see. Let's move on. We are looking for. Okay, here we might get something very soon. I'm ready. I would like him to go the same high as these other two here. That's why I was waiting. I want a better entry than this. When I see that you have 2 from before that is this high, I need him to go the same high for me to take a trade. If it was not for the 2 bar here, I would have taken a trade here, and you see that would probably be a good one. But when I see 2 bars into the left that is higher, I can't take a trade. I need to have the same high. That is just the way. Let's see now. Maybe we get up there now. Let's see. So we need a little better entry than this. Now, in the way that he crossed the blue line, that will be good enough. Let's see. Let's cross out these things so we don't have all this mess on the screen. Let's see. Come on, little more. We need. Come on. There, I'm in there. That is close enough for me. Let's see how that will play out for us. Did we have a trade here? Let me see. Yes, I think actually we can get a trade here also. Let's see. A little more. And I take it. There. Not the best entry. Let's see how that will play out. Looks like we are losing our first trade here. Here. Now let's see. And this one also is out of the money. Did we lose the first there? Let me see. Now we are in 0 in this one, and this one we lost. Okay. So minus 100. If we cross below here, we take it. What happened with this one? We lost that one also. Not good. 2 losses in a row. I don't like that. Okay, now let's see. How long time have we been trading till now? 25 minutes. Far away from trade here. Far away. Okay, here we might get something. Let's see. No, wrong direction. Wrong direction. Looks like this is the two that is the closest, but they are both moving basically the same. This is the closest one for now. We basically need him to turn green. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. We need better than this. And there, I mean, I think that is a good enough entry. Let's see. We might get one here also. Let me check what's going on. Yeah, it's in out of the money right now. We need a win now to turn profit again. In out of the money. We will go over and check after if we did win. I think that was a winner. Yes, we won that one. That means we are back in profit. Let's go back to the start. We might get a trade here now if we just can pass this bullspan in top. Let's see. Let's see if we can manage to get to 77,000 in this live session. That will be quite nice. So that means 4 winners more without losing. We should manage that. Let's see. Far away from a trade here. Here we are actually closer. But we need a higher than anyone before here. To get the trade. See. No. Okay. Here we need this is stochastic is ready. Now to get the trade we need this bar to go below the bullspan in the bottom. I see. They have been mostly this Australian dollar pairs we have been trading. Let me see how we are in time. Okay, we are in the halfway point, so we have a lot of time here left till now. Today we have taken, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades, and out of that we have 4 winners, so 4 out of 7, so 3 losers. So nothing crazy, but at least we are turning profit. Now we are looking for maybe a trade here, depending. Let's wait and see. Bullish band in the top to consider a trade. If you can just get a bar that go up to these levels here, that will be a trade for us. Let's wait and see. I'm sorry that I'm a little tired. Like I said before, did wake up 4 in the morning today. Been driving for 2.5 hours here to go to the beach. And lost for me. Let's see if we can get it back. I'm not sure what's going on here now. There, we are back. Cool. Let's go back here. I think you're closer to a trade here. Yes, let's see. And if you are new into this live stream, you find a link in the chat and you find a promo code. Now if we can go below here again, we will go in. We see the entry was here. We need him just to cross the blue line. I will take a trade. Let's see. Stochastic, we can see it's ready. Stochastic is below the 20, so we just need this bar to also go below, and then we can go in. Let's wait and see. No. Still not there. Let me check. Okay, we are ready. Little more down and we take it. Let's see. So we're looking for a trade now down there, but we need him to cross the ball span in the bottom. Almost there. I mean, we're in with a trade. Let's see how that will play out. Then we always, like always, we move on to see if we can get more trading opportunities. Now we're looking for one in the top here, but euro against Australian dollar. So if you can just cross above the line up here, we'll take a trade. Let's see. Still waiting. Once again, make sure also that you like this live session. You help me tremendously just by liking this live session. And if you're a subscriber, make sure to push the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never lose a live session from me again. Now let's see, I think we won that trade. Let's see. Yes, we won that trade. Sweet. Then we can put in another $78 profit. So our profit till now is $106 profit together with this $16 a pair. Nothing crazy, but it is profit. Okay, if the stochastic can go above here, we might get a trade if we go up again, but let's see. For me, this is not a trade before the stochastic is above 80. So I think we move on. Okay, here stochastic is ready. So if this bar can shoot below this bullish band in the bottom, we will take a trade. Eternal, as you're following my strategy now, how is your win rate? And how is your win rate for the week? Because my week with this strategy have been amazing, so it would be nice to get some feedback how you have been doing with the same strategy. Because what I live by is that I want what I'm doing to be working for the ones that follow my trades also. I know, for example, this support resistance was very easy to follow, so we got very equal results, and I would like to see if this also gives the same. I see 11. Do you mean that you have one win and one loss? Okay, understand. Now we are getting close to a trade here now. Let's see. That was not good enough for me. I did not cross the line. I'm very specific with that. I need to see him cross the line before I go in. So for me, I did not take a trade there. Waiting a little longer. Let's see. We are ready again. We just need to see him cross the blue line in the bottom. If not, I don't go in. No, he's going the wrong way. Let's move on. Here, stochastic is ready. So now, if this bar can cross below the bullish band in the bottom, we can push the up bottom. Let's wait and see. Like I said before, today the pair that we have been trading most today have been Australian dollar pairs. Of course, there are three of them, but yeah, been many trading opportunities. No, too far away. Let's move on. Here the stochastic is not ready, so let's move on. Here the stochastic, I think the stochastic will be ready if it shoot up here. Let's see. We can give it a couple of minutes. Let's see. Okay, if we get up there again, we take it. Let's zoom in so you see better. I'm ready. Stochastic is ready. If we can just fill up this bar again, we can take a trade. Let's see. I'm ready. Now, yeah, if we still can fill up the bar that was before, we can still take the trade. Let's see. We need better than this. Come on, little more. was not good enough for me. Was close, but not good enough. Almost sleeping here now, but we are pushing through this live session. Now we are close again. Stochastic is ready. Now he's going higher and higher. I don't believe now that we can get a trade. If we can get it up to this level there, we can still take a trade. Let's see. I think we move on very soon if nothing happens. Let's see. And a little more. I might take the trade a little below the bulge band this time. Let me see. We are in the limit up there. I think if we fill up the bar, I will break my own rule. I will take the trade if we fill up the bar. Let's see how that will go play out. No, don't do it more. It was just on that bar. Let's see. No. 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 Okay. Looks like this is the closest we have right now for a trade. Let me see how we are in time. Okay, we have still some time left. Let's see. So we're looking for trade up there. I think I need to take a small break now because I'm very tired. I've been awake since 4 in the morning. Tomorrow I will take a little longer live session to get back this time. Tomorrow we will have a competition between two type of indicators. So let's see which one will make the most money tomorrow. And going forward I will do 3. So we can compare the 3, which one will make the most. So by then, make sure you like this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn the bell notification on, sign up with this broker. We will have a lot of fun tomorrow testing out I maybe 2-3 trades tomorrow, 20 minutes each, and maybe I take 30 minutes each, as we did take this one a little shorter. So with that, have an amazing day. Thank you, Internal, to keep my little company, and I see you all tomorrow.